how you can configure a new virtual machine, install an Oracle database on it. So for that links which I'll be using, this is from download 3 or 19C, and Oracle Linux is an I needed to install the DB. We have this ISO image and mobile term will be okay. Link, and yeah, I'm so that's the same link. So because the steps mentioned in this article are very easy to follow, so I'll be following this. Okay, so before we begin, I have an software downloaded and it is on my desktop software location. So let's go to the workstation and go for creating a new virtual machine and custom, and next, and go for I'll install the operating system later and Linux, and yeah, the version is Oracle Linux 8. If you don't see that, you have to scroll up and then find out Oracle Linux 8. Click on next and try to browse the different location. Let's keep it on the C drive and have one folder already created, and in that I have already this folder Oracle 19C. If not, then you can create a new one too. So you can create a new folder too. So I'll use this 19C. If you don't have, you can create it manually. Okay. Click on OK, and so this one I'll name it as an Oracle 19C. Go for next, and it says it already exists. Okay. Mm, okay, so might be I have created earlier on the same location. I'll do one thing, C drive. I will clean up this files inside that. Let's clean up that and let's do again. For next, and now it accepted. You can see for the next and two processors and might be a, okay. So let's give it 4, and so the RAM I would like to give 8 GB so that the installation will complete quickly. So the bridge network next, then go for the next again, SATA drive next, and create a new virtual drive and store in a single uh, file, and let's give 80 GB. Okay, let's give it 80 GB, that should be fine. Click on next and finish. So then click, if you have this Oracle 19C, edit virtual machine setting. So here go for DVD, select an ISO image location. I have it, I have the software, it's downloaded on the desktop software in Oracle related. Select Oracle Linux ISO image, open and click OK. And so power on the virtual machine. That's going to start the console and the installation will trigger. Okay, you can see in the console, if you cannot use the mouse here, so the only option is you have to use a keyboard. So up arrow and down arrow. So I will use the I, right? I to install, or you can use up arrow and install an Oracle Linux. I don't want to touch the media, so I will type I to install and click on enter. So your cursor should be inside the console, right? Because you have to use the mouse cursor, click inside the console and use up arrow and down arrow and select that option, install Oracle Linux, click on enter. So that's going to start the installation. If you want to come out of the console, you have to type Control Alt. Then it will show your cursor outside the console. So the installation is getting started now. Okay, now it's asking the language. to use during the installation process. So English by default. So I'm okay with that. Click inside the console, click on, you know, so you can use the mouse also here. Continue. So now it's asking some other options to see. So wherever the option you are seeing that warning, you have to create that entries. So the root password, you have to create a new password for the root, and again confirm the same password. And you have to scroll your mouse cursor, sorry, the scroll bar left hand side and click on done. So this is done, and one more option we are left is this one. So install destination. So you see that there is an OneDrive HTA 80 GB and configuration automatic. I'm okay with that. Go with the default and click on done. So all the options are being enabled now. So there is nothing warning here. Move your scroll bar on the right side and begin installation. It's going to install the OS now. Okay, so the installation is completed. So click inside the console and go for a reboot. So that's going to reboot the machine. So we're waiting for the login prompt to appear. So it says that license is not accepted. Click on that and accept the license and click on done. So finish configuration. Click inside the console and finish the configuration. Yeah, that's going to open the GUI screen for the Oracle Linux. So click on the next, and so privacy, that should be okay. Click on next, and it's asking few more details to complete setup. Just asking the name of the user. That should be fine. Username, and click on next, and give the password of that user. Okay, so go for the next, and you are ready to go. Start using Linux server. Okay, so installation completed. So you want to open the terminal window, right? So getting started, it's a common task and changing the date and all that stuff. So you can just close this because we don't want to know about that. And go to the activities here and the terminal here. Okay. So this is your terminal where you'll be working. So I'll stop the video for now. We'll continue in the next lecture, next video demo.